Kyle, what's up, my man? Good to see what you're doing on LinkedIn and social media, especially around video. I love it. You're going to be seeing a lot more video from me in 2018 and beyond. I know you're a big proponent of that. Obviously, with this thread, I think it's genius, and I think what you're doing is genius. And one of the success stories for me, I'll tell another one, but one of the success stories that's super relatable to this is you and I connecting via social media. We've got got connected on LinkedIn, shared insights. Actually, have had a couple of calls now and got a deal in the works between the two of us, and kind of on a partner basis. So for me, social selling is huge. Social media is huge, and being able to connect with not only end user buyers, but obviously partners as well. And so my just one case, and trust me, it goes beyond just one, but for this case, my just one is from an $8.7 billion leisure company. Obviously not going to say the name, but I was able to connect with director of engineering hosting for this company. She runs a lot of, or oversees the entire infrastructure, within the IT space. And the way I got to her was not only connecting and engaging on LinkedIn, but taking that conversation to video form and submitting it via email. And so it was a simple video just like this, where I basically said, hey, I would love to connect with you. We're helping a lot of other people in your industry. I think it makes sense for us to connect. If you do as well, just reply back to this email or give me a shout. Heard from her. She asked if we could set up some time on the calendar, and boom, had a great conversation. Talked about everything we do here at Centrix. From everything from hardware to hardware maintenance to asset disposition to project-related services. They've got a really unique business model and how they operate. So there's going to be some solutions that we have to kind of customize and tailor to be able to provide them what they need. But just getting that initial conversation and that initial call in the books was all generated through social media. It was generated through video. And so, it does work. It's tried and true. And something, like I said, I'm going to be continuing to do throughout the rest of this year and beyond. So again, appreciate you shouting me out. I hope this video gets some good content, and everybody else's videos as well. Creates a lot of engagement. I know I'll be commenting on the thread here and watching all the videos as well. But yeah, appreciate what you're doing, Kyle. That's my just one. Hope everybody else has a great rest of your day, and look forward to all the comments.